Okay, so in this video we have to tell which number you want to add or subtract from each side of an inequality to solve it. So for number 3 here, we have k plus 11 is less than or equal to is less than -3, which means that we have to isolate k essentially. And how do we do that? Well, we can do that by subtracting 11 on both sides. So which number are you going to add or subtract from each side of the inequality to solve it? Well, you're going to, for number 3, so which number you're going to add or subtract. So for this one, you will add -11 to each side, or subtract 11. Both of these say the same thing essentially. Okay, for this one we have to isolate b, so we can add 9 on both sides. So we can add 9, which is subtracting -9, right? Subtract -9. That's gonna still be adding 9. Same thing. They didn't specify here either if we say add or subtract, so I'm just assuming that we can say both. All right, here we want to add 2 to isolate v, so we can just add 2 or subtract -2. And this can hopefully you can understand why addition and subtraction are very related. In fact, there is nothing called subtraction. It's basically adding a negative. So if you understand negative numbers, you don't even need subtraction. So this number 6 is just subtracting 17 from both sides, or adding -17 to isolate p. So add -17 or subtract 17, and that is your answer. So these are your answers. This is just a very introductory video on solving inequalities. We will be looking at more advanced problems in the future, so stay tuned.